It gives me immense pleasure to extend to you a very warm welcome on behalf of the Panimalar Engineering College, who has clubbed all of us for the 5 days faculty development program on deep learning for computer vision. I would like to call Professor Dr. V.D. Ambed Kumar to deliver the welcome.
Good morning, all. I welcome you all for the Deep Learning for Computer Vision FTP on behalf of Panimalar Engineering College. I would like to thank AICT for accepting our proposal. On behalf of the Department of CSC and AI and DS, Panimalar Engineering College, I am delighted to welcome you all for the 5 days faculty development on deep learning for the computer vision organized by computer science and engineering and AIDS. I earnestly thanks for all accepting our invitation and taking out of your precise time for this session. I am very grateful our secretary and correspondent Dr. P. Chinnathurai and our dynamic directors Dr. C. Sakti Kumar, Mrs. C. Vijaya Rajeshwari and Mrs. Saranya Sri Sakti Kumar for giving us an opportunity to organize this event. It is a matter of great pleasure and honor for me welcome our beloved principal Dr. K. Mani and I would like to thank our honorable HOD of CSC Dr. S. Murugavalli and the HOD of AI and DS Dr. S. Maladi ma'am for providing me with the opportunity to spearhead this constructive program. It gives immense pleasure to welcome the delegates for the workshop, Professor Dr. R. Balasubramanian, IIT Roorkee, and Professor Dr. Sapna Kataya, Dean and Academic for Apps Institute. I also wish to take this opportunity to welcome Dr. G. M. K. Tirumurthy, Associate Professor, CSC Department from MEPCO Engineering College, Professor Joseph George from Adi Sangra Institute of Engineering and Technology, Professor R. Uma, Associate Professor, IT, Panimalar Engineering College, Dr. Ajay Kumar Khan, Associate Professor, CSC, Central University, Mizoram, Mr. Sharma, Artificial Intelligence Agents, Chennai, Dr. Hemalada, University of Technology, Applied Science in Oman, Professor Dr. M. Sendahvalli, IT, Alliance University, Dr. K. Ramalakshmi, Associate Professor, CSC, Alliance University for this 5 days faculty development program. Last but not the least, I welcome to extend my thanks to all the coordinators and members for being a part of the dynamic workshop. I am delighted to have all here. I hope you will the stimulate and productive workshop over the next 5 days. I am grateful to each one of you for showing your trust and confidence in me. I am sure that you will be pleasured by end of the results. Thank you, ma'am.
Dr. K. Mani.
Good morning, one and all. As you all are aware that during this pandemic period, the teaching learning process is happening in the online mode. So the AICT Training and Learning Academy is conducting online FDP on different emerging areas. So nowadays, the emerging fields like computer science, information technology, artificial intelligence, data science, deep learning are attracting the students. So our college, the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, is organizing a 5 days FDP on deep learning for computer vision. So yes, these fields are emerging field. So the knowledge which is required for all the faculty members, research scholars, PG students in the emerging areas. So I am very happy to welcome all the participants for this 5 days FDP program and also all the resource persons. So they are all accepted our invitation. So we welcome you all for this 5 days FDP program. We welcome you, sir. And I thank the department HOD Dr. S. Murugavalli and the coordinators Dr. Ambed Kumar, and Maladi Madam for organize. Already they have organized one program. This is second program organizing by the Computer Science and Engineering Department. So I wish all the success. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Principal Sir, for our Panimalar Engineering College Professor Dr. K. Mani Sir to give us this to question. So now I like to call the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Professor Dr. S. Malati Ma'am to give the address gathering.
Thank you, Professor Kavita, for calling me. Very good morning to all the dignitaries and the respective principal, and also the coordinator and professors from various colleges and faculty members. Very good morning once again to one and all who have gathered here. We all know the main goal of Atal FDP is to help quality technical education in our country and to support the academic institutions in the field of research and innovation through training. Basically, online mode of learning was not popular in previous decades, but now in this pandemic COVID situation, through AICTE, several opportunities were given to all the faculty members to upgrade their knowledge on the upcoming technologies. Therefore, we can prove that all the faculty members have the capacity and capability and also a mindset to go for online education. Also, through these Atal programs, all faculty members from various institutions can recustomize in bringing many subjects together for future enhancement in technology based upon the demand in the industries. So coming to this 5 days Atal FDP program on deep learning for computer vision. Basically, preliminary knowledge is required if you want to enter into deep learning for computer vision. The preliminary knowledge is certain Python programs along with machine learning is required. Moreover, we all know deep learning is one of the subset of artificial intelligence used to train computers to learn and produce outputs similar to a human brain. Nowadays, in many public and private sectors are handling this technology because it gives incredible accuracy rates in solving the real world problems. On the other hand, if you see computer vision, it is a field that trains a computer to interpret and understand the visual world. So I think CV is not yet solved, but with the help of deep learning, we can get high level understanding from the digital images or videos. So what are the promising role of deep learning in computer vision? Some of the promising role of deep learning is automating the future extraction process of any image or videos. Models can be reused based on the related task what we are handling, and it gives superior performance when compared to the traditional methods when we take up some challenging task. So this is a reason why deep learning is employed in computer vision. As you all know, one of the famous company organization is Tesla company, which is a leading car manufacturers who implements computer vision for self-driving cars. And therefore, it is expected that these technologies will continue to advance at a rapid pace over the next several years. Therefore, we are on the strong path towards acceptance of deep learning for computer vision in the coming years. So I request all the faculty members who have registered here to utilize this wonderful platform in learning new technologies. So before ending, I thank each and every one of you for giving this wonderful opportunity to conduct this 5 days Atal FDP program on deep learning for computer vision through online mode. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving your valuable insight on a faculty development program. Now I would like to call Professor Dr. V.D. Ambed Kumar to give the today's section details.
Thank you, ma'am. There will be 3 sessions for every day, right? I will read out the day-wise schedule. So day 1, introduction to computer vision given by Professor Dr. R. Balasubramanian sir, CSE department in IIT Roorkee. Next session, introduction to digital image processing and generation of applications, and applications of various optimization technique in digital image processing. So given by Professor Dr. Sapna Kataya, Dean and Academic Professors for Apps Institute of Technology. And day 2, Python for the data science and NumPy and Pandas. This is the practical hands-on program. And next session, understanding neural network using Keras API hands-on session. So given by Dr. G.M.K. Tirumurthy, Associate Professor, CSE Department from MEPCO Engineering College. Day 3, Introduction to Convolution Neural Network and case study for CNN using Python and MATLAB. So given by Professor Joseph George, Department of CSE from Adi Sangra Institute of Engineering and Technology, Kerala. And day 4, Introduction to 2D Convolution Neural Network is given by Professor R. Uma, Associate Professor, IT Department, Panimalar Engineering College. Next session, applications of machine learning and deep learning. So given by Professor Dr. Ajay Kumar Khan, Associate Professor, CSE Department, Central University for Mizoram. Next session, the autoencoder and its variant hands-on program using Python, Mr. S. Sharma, Artificial Intelligence Engineering Agents, Chennai. Day 5, Introduction to Transfer Learning. It's given by Professor Dr. Hemalata G, University Technology and Applied Science, Oman. Next session, Introduction to Recurrent Neural Network hands-on program given by Dr. M. Senbagavalli, Associate Professor, IT Department, Alliance University. And last session, hands-on LSTM and generative neural networks given by Dr. K. Ramalakshmi, Associate Professor and CSE Department, Alliance University. The day 5, the 1 p.m. to 1:20, the validity functions. This is a day-wise, session-wise schedule. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Professor. Now I would like to present the citation of Professor Dr. R. Subramanian. He is a professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering.